Hey, it's coming with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if it dims in sunlight, even when you have auto brightness turned off. Now, there's a couple other settings that you have to check to ensure that your phone stays as bright as possible in sunlight and it doesn't dim. So let's get started. So first thing is, if you haven't done so, most likely in the setting of your iPhone, under accessibility here, under display and text size, and go all the way down here, there's auto brightness setting, which is hidden, and you might already have done that. It's turned off, which won't mess with your auto brightness. But even if you have this turned off, the phone still can go dim unless you check other settings. So you go back to the main settings here, and this time under display and brightness, right? First thing is you have to ensure that automatic is turned off, just like that. So I have this one turned off. It should be turned off by default unless you're using light versus dark, but turn that off. And along with that is you go ahead and move your brightness all the way to the max here. You can also do it from the top here, and then you'll turn off true tone. So once you turn off true tone, which is supposed to automatically adjust the lighting based on the ambient color, it will now fix this issue where you're seeing the phone go dim in the strongest brightness setting, even with auto brightness off. And after you do that, your phone now should stay bright without having any issues. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.